while it's quiet in here, I'll show you this one. I don't think I have any footage. If you've already seen pictures of this, just ignore it. But this Lexus, the clear was coming off of these moldings. So we stripped the rest of the clear off and we primed them. And we're gonna be painting just those. Hopefully get it done today. The rear bumper here just like got backed into a pole or something. It was scarred up. We're just gonna be doing a in the panel blend, a melt, if you will. So I probably won't be able to catch them doing it, but that's what's going on with this thing. Getting this Lexus all taped up. Okay, we got Michaela here. She's been out in the deer stand today, got her camouflage on. This is waterborne. Just gotta get the bottom edge of that molding. And I'd go ahead and hit the top and then come right down the middle there. Yep. There you go. All right. Back here we're doing a bumper blend. That's why she's got the gun aimed forward. And we're just really worried about getting the color. We're getting the primer colored in. Oh, look at that. Nice. Well, the Lexus turned out great. We saw Michaela shooting the base on there. That old Peyton here, I always called him Dom. He cleared it only because we ran out of time. But that turned out really nice.